Right, students, good morning.
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 How are you today?
Good morning.
I'm fine. Thank you.
Fine.
Okay, thank you. So before we start our lesson, let's pray together so that our class runs well. Ya, kita berdoa dulu. Berdoa dimulai. Selesai. Baik. So students, have you filled the presence list that I have shared in Google Classroom? Sudah mengisi absen?
Sudah, Bu.
Students, before we start, I would like you to see the picture. Coba lihat gambar yang saya bagikan, terlihat kalian? Terlihat?
Terlihat, Bu.
Terlihat, Bu.
Ya. Okay, so do you think the boy is happy?
Yes.
What do you think about the picture?
Yes, he was happy.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. What do you think happened to him? You said he was happy. He's happy. What do you think happened to him?
He wins
He get a trophy after winning a. He get a trophy after winning a race.
Oh, a trophy. So, we can say that he wins something. Ya, dia memegang trofi. Jadi kita bisa asumsikan bahwa ia memenangkan sesuatu. So, students, if someone get an achievement, what do we say to him? To him or to her? Apa yang kita katakan kalau misalnya ada teman kita yang memenangkan sesuatu misalnya, atau ada pencapaian dalam hidupnya?
Congratulations on your victory.
Okay, good. Thank you. We say congratulations, gitu ya. Oke, jadi kita memberi dia ucapan selamat ya, sudah ini seperti itu misalnya. Okay, thank you. Bagus sekali. Please look at the presentations I'm going to share. Bagaimana? Sudah terlihat?
Sudah.
Bu.
Okay.
Ya, Bu.
Right. Sure. Our learning objective for today, tujuan pelajaran. So you are expected to be able to express congratulate someone and also to give compliment to someone else. Yeah. So by discussing with your friends, you are able to identify some expressions and giving congratulations and also giving compliments to others. And you are also expected to be able to use those expressions in daily life, both written or orally. Ya. Jadi kalian diharapkan selain bisa mengidentifikasi ekspresi tentang memberikan pujian, kemudian memberikan ucapan selamat, kalian juga bisa menggunakannya dalam kehidupan sehari-hari, baik secara lisan ataupun secara tertulis. Oke, bisa dipahami?
Bisa, Bu.
Bisa, Bu.
Good.
Bisa, Bu.
So that's our learning objective. And this is our learning activity for today. Bentar. Ya. Nah, ini kegiatan pembelajaran kita hari ini. This is our learning activity. The first one, you're going to watch an animations video about our topic today, and then we are discussing what the video is about. Setelah menonton videonya, kemudian kita diskusikan isinya apa, and then you're going to match some expressions with the correct conditions or situation. Setelah itu baru memasangkan kalimat, kemudian dengan situasi yang tepat. Setelah itu kita diskusikan, baru nanti ada penugasan secara berkelompok. Seperti itu ya.
Baik, Bu.
Okay. Alright, students. Now I would like you to watch a video that I have shared in Google Classroom. Silahkan tonton videonya dulu. Linknya sudah saya bagikan di Google Classroom. I'm giving you 5 minutes. to watch the video, okay? And then we're going to discuss that later. Silakan, saya berikan waktu 5 menit untuk nonton videonya lagi, kemudian kita bahas nanti. Right, students, have you finished watching the video? Sudah selesai menonton videonya?
Sudah, Bu.
Sudah, Bu.
Sudah.
Sudah, Bu.
Okay. Good. Now who would like to help me
Ya, Bu.
to tell your friends what is the video about? Tentang apa videonya? Ada yang mau bantu saya?
Saya, Bu.
Hi. Yes, Nova, please.
The video is about wedding.
The video is about
Wedding.
wedding. Oh, the conversation.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, the conversation is about someone's wedding, ya, tentang pernikahan seseorang. Bagaimana dengan ekspresi yang dicontohkan di awal? What about the expressions? What is it about? Ekspresinya itu tentang apa ya, Nova?
Congratulations.
Okay, congratulations. And another one? Lagi satu, tentang memberikan?
Pujian.
Yeah,
Pujian.
that's it. Okay, so please repeat once again, Nova. The video is about congratulations and
Compliment.
yes, that's it. It's about
Compliment.
congratulations and giving compliment. That's it. Okay, thank you very much. Students, let's look at the PowerPoint. Right. I'm showing you some expressions in congratulating and complimenting someone. Okay. This is just a small portions of the expressions that you have read in your module. Ya, ini hanya sebagian kecil saja dari yang sudah kalian pegang dari modul yang saya berikan kemarin ya. Okay. So there are some examples in some expressions in giving congratulations and also compliments. Right. That's it. Now let's see the social function of congratulating and complimenting someone else. Right. From what you can read from the screen, okay. Ada yang bisa bantu saya dengan pemahaman kalian sendiri, misalnya. So what's the benefit of congratulating and complimenting someone else? Kira-kira apa untungnya untuk kita jika memuji seseorang atau memberikan ucapan selamat kepada orang lain?
Bisa memperbaiki hubungan komunikasi.
Oke, bisa memperbaiki hubungan komunikasi. Oke, bisa. Any students? Other students? Selain untuk memperbaiki komunikasi, apa lagi ya?
Mempererat pertemanan.
That's it. Thank you. Agus Depa. Bisa juga. It can be used to improve your relationship with your friends, with your colleagues, ya, misalnya teman kerja, teman di sekolah, or your family member. What is family member in bahasa?
Anggota keluarga.
Iya, thank you Nova. Itu dia ya. Jadi bisa memperbaiki komunikasi, kemudian mempererat hubungan dengan teman kerja, atau juga dengan anggota keluarga kita. Right, thank you very much. Now let's see the next slide. Okay, itu dia. Some expressions. Tadi sudah situasinya juga. Now let's see the responses. Okay, the responses that we give when someone congratulate us or compliment us. Okay, ada istilah memuji atau memberikan ucapan selamat extended atau bersayap. Ada yang pernah mendengar itu? Have you heard that term before? Extended congratulations or extended compliment. Pernah dengar istilah itu?
Tidak.
Belum. Okay. Please Google that out. Coba cari di internet atau cari di Google, memuji bersayap. Baik, saya berikan waktu sebentar. Kalian cari sendiri apa itu artinya memuji tapi secara bersayap. Sudah saya ketikkan di chat room-nya. Coba pakai kata kunci itu untuk cari di Google. Selamat dan memuji secara bersayap atau extended. I hope you get a better answer. So, how is it, students? Do you get a different answer from your previous one? Bagaimana? Dapat jawaban yang berbeda? Hello, students. Bagaimana hasilnya? Sudah ketemu belum?
Tidak ketemu, Bu.
Belum ya?
Belum, Bu. Enggak, Bu.
Belum, Bu.
Belum, Bu.
Belum.
Belum, Bu.
Kalau Cynthia. Cynthia dapat apa, Cynthia?
Extended itu artinya diperpanjang.
Oke. Berarti kurang lebih sama seperti jawaban Rosa tadi ya?
Iya, Bu.
Ya? Oke. Now please look at your screen. Bisa terlihat di layar kalian tentang responsesnya?
Bisa.
Bisa.
Bu.
Bisa, Bu.
Right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your effort. Ya, terima kasih sudah berusaha mencari tadi. Kalau misalnya tidak ketemu, it's okay. Kita bahas sama-sama ya kalau gitu. Ada namanya istilahnya extended atau bersayap gitu ya. When someone give us congratulations or compliment us, ya, ketika seseorang memuji kita atau memberikan kita ucapan selamat, then we are going to give some response, ya kan? Kita pasti memberikan respons. Baik, we're not stopping at that, ya. Jadi ketika kita memberikan respon itu kita tidak berhenti sampai di situ. For example, misalnya Cynthia menang kontes bulu tangkis itu misalnya ya, ada kompetisi bulu tangkis. Cynthia, congratulations on your winning. Misalnya saya bilang seperti itu. Responnya Cynthia kira-kira bagaimana? So what do you say, Cynthia?
Thank you.
Oke. Responnya Cynthia adalah thank you, gitu ya. Nah, itu sudah respons. But in extended congratulations or compliment, we're not stopping at that. Kita tidak berhenti sampai respon thank you saja. Okay, we return the compliment to the person that gave us that gave the compliment to us. Ya, kita membalas kembali pujian yang dia berikan tadi. Seperti tadi responnya Cynthia kan thank you, gitu ya. Oh, terima kasih. Nah, nanti Cynthia akan mengembalikan juga lagi pujian itu ke pemberi ucapan selamat. Dalam kasus ini kan saya yang memberikan ucapan selamat. Jadinya Cynthia juga memberikan pujian balik ke saya. Misalnya dia bilang, oh thank you, it's because of your support. Seperti itu misalnya. Apa artinya ya? Thank you, it's because of your support.
Terima kasih itu
Karena
atas
support
dukunganmu. Kamu.
Okay, thank you. Coba Rosa. What does that mean, Rosa?
Terima kasih itu atas dukunganmu.
Iya, jadi itu ya. Jadi, dalam memberikan ucapan selamat atau memuji secara bersayap, kita tidak berhenti pada memberikan respon saja, tapi kita juga memberikan pujian balik. We are returning the compliment to the person that gave the compliment to us. Seperti itu. Bisa dipahami? Is it clear?
Bisa, Bu.
Okay.
Bisa, Bu.
So now look at the responses. Nah, coba perhatikan responsesnya. Dari yang kita baca itu, so how many responses do we have? Okay, we have 8 responses. How nice of you to say so, thank you, and so on. Yang mana kira-kira yang berupa respon biasa, dan yang mana yang berupa extended? Which response that you think the extended one? Coba dibaca sebentar. Coba. Ada yang bisa beri saya contoh misalnya? Yang mana menurut kalian yang respon biasa, dan yang mana yang menurut kalian respon yang bersayap atau extended?
Saya, Bu.
Nova ya. Okay, Nova please. Which one, Nova?
Yang respon biasa yaitu thank you, yang sayap thank you very much. It's all possible because of your help.
Oke, thank you very much. Itu dia ya. Jadi menurut Nova, respon yang biasa itu adalah thank you. Sementara respon yang bersayap atau extended, it's all possible because of your apa tadi, Nova?
Help.
Yeah, it's all possible because of your help. What about the other students? Do you have different answer?
How nice of you to say so.
Okay, that's one.
Yang bersayap.
Mm-hmm.
How nice of you to say so. Thank you for your support.
Yeah, thank you very much. That's it. Respon yang biasa, ya, the ordinary one is how nice of you to say so. Kemudian yang extended, how nice of you to say so. It's because of your support, gitu kalau nggak salah ya.
Thank you for your support.
Oh, thank you for your support. Ya, itu dia. How nice of you to say so. Thank you for your support. Right, thank you very much. Nah, itu dia tadi. Kira-kira bisa tidak membedakan yang mana yang respon biasa, yang mana yang extended?
Bisa, Bu.
Bisa ya?
Bisa.
Ya. Oh, sebentar. Kita ke patternnya dulu, ya. Dalam memberikan compliment, dalam memberikan pujian, ada dua pattern yang bisa misalnya kalian ikuti. Yang pertama pakai to be plus adjective. There are two patterns. The first one is using to be dan adjective, and then the second one is using look plus adjective. Ya, misal kalau yang to be dan adjective, to be, apa itu to be ya? Apa saja jenisnya to be?
Is
Dewi is I'm are.
Kalau Ayu Dewi itu subjeknya, to be-nya is am or saja. Bagaimana dengan bentuk pasnya, bentuk lampaunya? Is am or?
Was.
Ya, is dan am jadi
Was.
sedangkan or jadi
Were.
ya, itu dia ya. Okay. The first pattern, you can use that plus adjective. Misalnya, you are beautiful. Kamu
Cantik.
You are very diligent.
Kamu sangat rajin.
And then the next pattern is using look. It's a verb, and then plus adjective. That word, have you heard that word before? Gorgeous. Pernah dengar tidak?
Menawan.
Oke, bisa. Menawan atau menakjubkan, bisa juga ya. Oke, it depends on the context. Tergantung konteks kalimatnya apa. Jadi artinya bisa macam-macam. Your hair look gorgeous. Kira-kira artinya apa? What does that mean?
Rambutmu terlihat menawan.
You look handsome in that suit. You look handsome in that suit.
Kamu terlihat tampan dengan pakaian itu.
You look handsome in that suit. Kamu terlihat apa? Tampan dengan memakai
Jas itu.
Meja.
Oke, jas itu ya. Jadi lengkapnya. Nah, thank you very much. Yeah, that's the pattern. So far, do you have any question? Sejauh ini ada yang ditanyakan tidak?
Tidak.
Nah,
Okay.
Tidak.
Jelas ya? Okay, thank you. Okay, good. Now let's move on to the next slide. We're moving on to the next slide. Right, that's it. On the video, you have read one of the example of the dialogue. If I'm not mistaken, it's dialogue number B ya. Kalau tidak salah, dialog B yang ada di dalam video. So I would like you to please pay attention to the dialogues. We're going to compare those dialogues. Kita akan membandingkan dialog itu. Coba, ada dialog A dan ada dialog B. I'm giving you some times to read and to compare dialogues. Coba dibaca dulu sebentar. Kita mau bandingkan dua dialog itu. Okay. Have you read it all? Sudah dibaca?
Sudah, Bu.
Sudah. Okay, now let's discuss what the dialogues are about. Please look at the first dialogue, dialogue A. What is dialogue A about? What is it about?
Job.
About a job? Okay, tentang pekerjaan. Please tell me in specific. Coba lebih spesifik tentang apa ya dialognya ya?
Memperoleh kedudukan sebagai pegawai terbaik.
Yeah, thank you very much. Itu dia. Best employee of the month. Ya. Pekerja terbaik di bulan ini. Yeah, thank you very much. That's it. It's about the best employee of the month. So what about the second dialogue, dialogue B? What is it about?
Wedding.
Yeah. Wedding. Yes,
Wedding.
thank you very much. That's it. Yes, that's it. So dialogue B is about someone's wedding. In the first dialogue, what is the expressions used in the first dialogue? Expressions in congratulating first.
Please accept my warm yes, congratulations.
Okay, thank you. Nova ya?
Yes.
Okay. Please accept. Okay, itu dibacanya accept. Please accept my warmest congratulations. Thank you. That's the expressions in congratulating in dialogue A. What about dialogue B? Kalau dialog A pakai itu tadi, dialog B pakai apa?
Congratulations for your wedding.
Okay, thank you. Yes, that's it. Congratulations for your wedding. What about the response? Coba lihat responnya. Kalau di dialog A, responnya apa?
Thank you.
Thank you. That's because of.
Okay, itu terputus ya. Thank you. That's because of your support. Nah, itu dia. Kurang kata support di bawahnya. Okay. Thank you. That's because of your support. What about dialogue B? What's the response?
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you saja. Thank you saja. Ya. You will be a beautiful bride. Baik, kalau seperti itu dia bilang itu berupa congratulations atau compliment. Which one is it? Is it a congratulations?
Compliment.
Yeah. Okay. That's it. It's a compliment, not a congratulation ya. You will be a beautiful bride. Apa artinya?
Kamu akan menjadi pengantin yang cantik.
Okay, itu dia. Okay, thank you. That's the response. Now let's get back to the dialogue. Okay, coba perhatikan. Kalau di dialog A, thank you. That's because of your support. Sementara di dialog B, responnya berupa thank you sama that's very nice of you to say so. Which one is the extended one? Yang mana yang bersayap menurut kalian? Tadi kita sudah membahas itu.
Dialog A.
Yes. Okay, thank you. That's it. Dialogue A is the extended one. What about dialogue B? Bagaimana dengan dialog B? Bersayap tidak? Ada lanjutannya tidak?
Tidak.
Tidak. Okay. Ya, itu dia. So, do you think you can compare which one is extended and which one isn't? Kira-kira bisa membandingkan sekarang ya, yang mana yang bersayap, yang mana yang tidak?
Bisa, Bu.
Bisa, Bu.
Bisa ya?
Bisa, Bu. Nah, Bu.
Oke. Ya. Oke, good. Baik. Untuk latihan yang ini, ada pertanyaan tidak? Okay. It's already in your module, sudah ada di modul kalian. Mudah-mudahan kalian sudah sempat baca-baca misalnya.
Sudah, Bu.
Sudah ya? Oh, sudah. Oke, baik. If you have already mungkin gambaran misalnya, yang mana kira-kira yang pas nih, mungkin pasangannya, please discuss with your partner. Coba didiskusikan sama pasangan kalian. Coba dibandingkan apa perbedaan jawaban kalian dan juga jawaban partnernya. Alright, let's start. Baik, kita mulai ya. Who would like to be the volunteer? Ada yang ingin menyampaikan pertama? Tanpa saya tunjuk deh. Oke, silakan.
Saya, Bu.
Okay, Rosa. Rosa would like to try first. What number, Rosa?
Number 5.
Number 5?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, please. Silakan.
Expression. Your hair is gorgeous.
Dibacanya gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, thank you. That's it.
The condition. Madison gets a new haircut.
Right, thank you. That's number 5. We still have 4 expressions left. All right, who's next? Siapa
Saya, Bu.
lagi berikutnya? Okay, Nova,
Saya,
please. Ya, Nova, baru nanti Mila. Atau Sri berikutnya.
The expression is number 3. Your
Okay,
car is so cool.
okay.
The condition is your brother bought a new car.
Okay, thank you very much. Your English is so good, Nova. Ya, bahasa Inggrisnya sudah bagus sekali. Silakan ditingkatkan lagi. Right, thank you. That's the third expressions. Your car is so cool. And then the condition is your brother bought a new car. Ya, saudara laki-lakimu membeli mobil baru. Thank you very much, Nova. We still have the first, the second, and the fourth expression. Baik, silakan. Siapa tadi ya? Sri atau Mila tadi yang bilang saya Bu ya?
Saya
Mila.
Bu.
Oh, Mila. Okay, Mila please. What number, Mila?
Nomor 4, Bu.
Okay. Yes, please.
The expression
Mm-hmm.
is to hear about your winning.
Mm-hmm. And the condition?
The condition, your friend won a singing contest.
Thank you, Mila. We still have the first and the second sentence. Baik, setelah tadi Mila, ada lagi yang lain? Who else? Siapa
Saya,
itu?
Bu.
Sri ya? Sri ya?
Ya, Bu.
Yes, please. Yes, Sri, please.
Number 1.
Mm-hmm.
Expressions. Please accept my warmest congratulations for your achievement.
Mm-hmm. The condition?
Conditions. Sonia gets the highest score in exam.
Okay, thank you very much. And the last one would like to be the last students, last person to match the expressions. Tora, are you here?
Yes, Bu.
Ya, silakan langsung dipasangkan saja berarti dan diterjemahkan. Karena sisa 1.
Oke, untuk expression,
Mhm.
you must be very happy with your engagement. Untuk condition, your friend is getting engaged.
Oh ya. Jelas latihannya ya? Bisa dipahami? So far, do you have any question?
Bisa, Bu.
Yeah, thank you. Now let's move on to your group assignment. Jadi kita lanjut ke penugasan berkelompoknya. So your assignment is about the task, the activity that we have just finished. It's about comparing 2 dialogues and then analyzing the dialogues based on a question. Ya, jadi tugas berkelompoknya, jadi sama seperti minggu lalu, kita pakai kelompok yang sudah ada, kelompok kalian sendiri, membandingkan 2 dialog, kemudian dianalisis, sama seperti yang tadi analisisnya, ekspresinya apa, dialognya tentang apa, ya. Nanti saya share di Google Classroom. I'm going to share the assignment in Google Classroom. Please check your Google Classroom. Okay, so students, what have we learned today? Apa yang sudah kita pelajari hari ini?
Congratulations.
About
Yeah.
congratulations and compliment.
Okay,
And-
thank you, Tora. And
Oke,
ya, apa lagi? Ekspresi memberikan selamat, expressions of congratulating, complimenting, dan juga Apanya?
Responnya.
Okay, thank you. That's it. Yeah, and the response. What is extended? Extended congratulation, extended compliment. Apa tadi artinya?
Memberi pujian balik kepada yang sudah memuji.
Percaya.
Ya, itu dia ya. Ya, itu dia. Jadi ketika kita memberikan respon, tidak berhenti sampai di situ, tapi kita juga memberikan pujian balik kepada orang yang memberikan kita ucapan selamat. Okay, thank you very much. Students, do you find any difficulty in our class today, in our lesson today? Ada kesulitan misalnya dalam kelas kita hari ini?
Tidak, Bu.
Tidak.
Tidak. Is there any? Yes. Is there any fun part? Is there any interesting part in our activity today?
Interesting.
Kalau tidak ada kesulitan, kira-kira bagian mana yang menarik dari kegiatan kita hari ini?
Tahu caranya memuji sehingga bisa memuji dalam kehidupan sehari-hari.
Okay, thank you very much, Cynthia. Itu ya, jadi bisa. Jadi dengan mengetahui, by knowing some expressions in congratulating and complimenting others, you can use it in daily life, both written and orally. Okay, thank you very much. Do you have any questions so far? Ada pertanyaan sebelum kita akhiri?
Tidak, Bu.
No?
Tidak.
So for next meeting, we're going to have a writing class. You're going to write a dialogue about congratulating and complimenting others with your group. Okay, right, students? Thank you very much for your attention. Kita ketemu lagi minggu depan. Ya, I'll see you again next week. Karena kita mulai dengan doa, kita akhiri lagi dengan doa. Berdoa dimulai. Selesai. Okay, students, see you on the next meeting. See you on our next class. Thank you very much for your attention. Please remember to put on your mask, wash your hand, and also bring hand sanitizer wherever you go. Okay? See you next week.
Okay.
Bye.
See you.
Okay, see you.
Bye.